What's up, nail crew? I am so excited for this video. I decided to go back to my almond shaped nails because, well, I'm a creature of habit and I can't help it. So, all right, let's jump right in. The very first thing I'm gonna do is I use a Sharpie to figure out the exact middle of my nail. Well, I want to estimate it. So you can look at your finger and see where about the center of your nail is. And this way you take that Sharpie, put a little point at the center, and then kind of draw down your angles as to how you want your almond nail shaped. And I learned this technique from Susie from Nail Career Education, and it works so well when reshaping your coffin or square to almond nails. Now we're getting to the good stuff. You take the 180 grit file, and I like to go first on the 100 side, it's the rougher side, and you start shaping towards the point of your nail. Now when you're doing the shaping for an almond nail, you don't want to go straight up and down on the side. You want to curve towards the middle of your nail. And this way it'll start to give you that beautiful curved almond shape. So then once you think that you have like a good part of it shaped, I take isopropyl alcohol and I wipe off the Sharpie just so I can really see how my nail's looking. And then I keep shaping a little bit more. And I don't think that I'm done. Like when I stop shaping one nail, I don't think that I'm fully done. I think, okay, this is a good point so that I can start working on all of my nails and then look at the shaping at the end for all my nails so that they look pretty even, and then keep going in more with the filing. Now, one thing that's super important when you're doing an almond shape is you don't want to keep going one side and then try to keep going on the other side, filing. You want to start filing one side, do a couple files, and then flip back to the other side and do a couple swipes to file that way. So if you just file on one side of your nail and try to meet it with the other one, what often ends up happening is it's crooked. And you know what? Your almond nail that you're just working so hard for your shaping to be crooked right from the start. To reiterate, the very important thing is that you're drawing that dot with a Sharpie in the middle of your nail. And you can see on my middle nail, I decided not to do the lines for the almond shape to see if it would make any difference for how I was shaping. And it really didn't. So for me, since I've been shaping almonds for a while, not needing to do the two lines along the side of your nail as to where to shape to was okay for me since I've been doing almond nails for, I think I've been doing them now for over a year. I just go through all the rest of my nails and keep going back and forth, shaping a little bit on the left side, a little bit on the right side of the nail. Then I keep going left, right, or right, left, whichever you feel more comfortable with. And this makes sure you're really getting that nice, beautiful curve of the almond nail, and you're not going to overfile on one side versus the other. So I left a bunch of it in just so you guys can really see that reshaping, it does take a bit of work, but in the end, it is so worth it. And I personally love the almond nails. I keep going back to them. I can't help it. I'm a creature of habit. So the almond nails, I feel like, are my shape, and they can be your shape too, because I am so happy to help anybody who'd like to learn shaping from coffin to almond or square to almond. And if almond nails are not your thing, then click on this video above and I can help you learn how to shape square nails. Thanks as always, nail crew.